today in the garage, CBR650r, I think, 2024 model. This has been involved in a crash damage accident, and we've taken it from another garage because they couldn't find the faults on the bike. We have the equipment down here at Motorcycle Heaven. We have the equipment. Not only do we have the equipment, we have the technicians, and we have over 45 years of combined experience of motorcycles. That's a lot of years, okay? A lot of kilometers as well. Billy's just fixing the side panels because there's a lot of cross-threading gone on with all the plastic, so we're professionally putting some re-threads into the plastic areas. We're just going to bong a load of bolts in. Let me show you something. You see these sort of cheap bolts that you get from AliExpress? Yeah? You know what you need to do with them? Throw them in the trash, right? Throw them in the trash. They're no good to man the beast, okay? Let me take you around to show you some of the other issues we found with the bike. So we've had to rewire this section of the machine to make sure that the bike was starting. The bike was not starting correctly. It was on, off. Broken wires, and as the revs got more intense, up to 6,000, 7,000 or more, then the wires that were broken were shorting out and cutting out the relays. We've been able to get this completely now put back together. So as you can see, this is now good. We've checked all of the relay system. We will advise the client on this bike to actually replace the injector wiring loom section of the bike. There's too many repairs being done to it, not by us, by other garages. We would never have done that amount of repairs to a wiring loom. There's a difference between these new bikes. It's not like the old choppers, when we used to be able to wire an old chopper up using a bit of electrical wire from an old, I've done it from old extension leads, right? But these bikes now are very, very different. The wires are very fine. They're very fine for a reason. Different voltages go through different wires. The ECU controls everything. And if you want to try and patch that up with a bit of old insulation tape and, I don't know, an old soldering iron, you're going to have problems. Let's go and see what these boys are doing over here. We've had, let me tell you, look at the tyres, okay? That tyre should have been changed months ago. Remember the big electric glide that came in? Well, that turned out to have serious problems. What am I going to tell you? Cam chest service, cam chest refresh. Get it done, or you're going to be like this customer paying thousands to actually get the bike repaired. Let me tell you something else, right? Tell me something else, okay? Take a look at this. What's the problem? Problem is, the previous mechanic said can't be repaired. It can be repaired. The problem with the bike, it's not in the top. Yes, we've severe heat damage to the front cylinder. The rear cylinder is okay. No damage on the piston. The crank is moving, yeah? But look, watch these lifters. Watch those lifters. See that? No movement whatsoever, which going to have problems in here, yeah? This is where the issues are going to be. We're going to find something broken in there. We can repair it for you. Okay, that's Motorcycle Heaven. I'm going to see what you think very soon of this one, right? Now this one is, of course, our new dyno. Yeah, it is now finished. It's for sale. It's up. 14,995 is going to get you to buy this bike. This has had everything done, right? Starting from the front, we've had front rear tyres, gaiters, reconditioned the forks. We've had the front screen, new clocks, bars, all new cables, interior wiring, tanks, custom paint job with a nice black flick inside, forward controls, working the way through the engine. This has got a nice brand new seat. We've had all the backs done. We've had a new pipe, 2-into-1, filters. What more do you want? Yeah, what more do you want? This bike's been Dynajet tuned. This bike has a Screaming Eagle cam chest refresh done on inside with a new cam. It's got everything you need to get out of a bike. It's club style, it's fantastic, it's motorcycle heaven.